Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while playing the game Apex Legends. You got an error of possible corruption in installed Apex files. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I highly recommend to uninstall any kind of third-party antivirus if you have installed into a system such as Avast, AVG or Norton. Nextly is, if you have installed OneDrive right into a PC, again I highly recommend to uninstall OneDrive. After uninstalling OneDrive antivirus, right click on your game, choose option properties, click on installed files and click on the option verify integrity of the game files. Once you have done so, try to relaunch the game and check the issue of possible correction in installed Apex file has been fixed or not. If this failed to work out, again right click on your game, choose the option properties, click on installed files and choose the option browse. Now right in the directory of the game, you will find a folder with the name packs. A lot of files are present right in this packs folder. What you need to do is to simply right click and choose the option delete. Once the pack folder is deleted, again right in this installed files, click on the option verify integrity of the game files. This will go ahead and update the corrupted files into a system and in turn fix out the issue. And one more thing friends, if you have installed any kind of mods into your game, make sure to remove that mods also and then verify integrity of the game files to fix out the issue. Now if these two methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step you need to download a tool with the name Intel Extreme Utility Tool. Here is the official website of the Intel and scroll down and click on this download option to simply download this Intel Extreme Utility Tool. Once downloaded, install it into your PC and then launch it. After launching, right in that interface, you will find the option of performance core ratio. Using this left arrow key, you need to reduce the performance core ratio to at least 4 or 5. For example, if your performance core ratio is 60, you need to reduce it to 53 or 54. After reducing performance core ratio, hit apply. After saving the changes, relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the issue of possible corruption in installed files while playing the Apex Legends. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.